We have an absolute console killer for 850 bucks, and hey, it'll go way beyond console.
This thing features the RX 6700 and i5-12400F and some awesome new stuff from Deepcool that makes it a really compelling gaming PC for 2023. Before we build this thing, let's hear a word from today's sponsor.
Unlock your creativity and learn new skills with Skillshare, the ultimate online learning platform. Whether you want to learn the basics of watercolor painting or learn how to start your own creative business, Skillshare has classes to take you from beginner to pro alongside a supportive community. Have you always wanted to cook gourmet meals or capture breathtaking videos? Skillshare is amazing for cultivating new hobbies and offers classes for every interest, giving you the tools to explore new passions and impress friends and family. Skillshare is also great for helping you learn to express yourself through art, graphics design, and photography. You can learn from professionals who share their secrets, helping you turn your passion into stunning visual masterpieces. And if you're looking for ways to boost your professional skills in things like marketing, entrepreneurship, and leadership, Skillshare is here to help. For example, we've been taking Marquez Brownlee's course on YouTube Success, which teaches the fundamentals of making engaging and creative content. It's been a great way for us here at Vitosi Bros to really take our channel to the next level. If you're interested in unlocking your creativity and learning something new, Skillshare is giving a 1-month free trial to the first 1,000 people to use the link in the description down below, so hurry up and join today to get started. Big thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get right back to it.
So for the CPU, we have this i5-12400F, which is a 6-core, 12-threaded processor, very power efficient. Does come with the stock cooler, but we will be using an aftermarket cooler. But these processors are awesome because power efficient, they work good with the stock cooler, and 6 cores and 12 threads. Spend the extra money to get those efficiency cores. Now to cool that i5, we have the AK400 Digital. This thing actually has a digital display up top to show temperatures. You may be able to change it to show other things too, I would assume, but this is crazy. I've never thought that I'd be in the era where we have LCD displays on air coolers. It's already crazy to me they're on liquid coolers. Now we have this ASRock B660M Pro RS, and this is a nice and good motherboard, but it's budget. You know, you do have 4 RAM slots, you do have some basic RGB, but as you can see, you don't have like certain covers in the VRMs and everything, so you could spend a little bit more, but honestly, this was just such a good price, and we promise it's gonna run great. Now for RAM, we have 32 gigs of the silicon power, and this is 3200 megahertz. We decided to go DDR4, but you can get boards like this one in DDR5 if you wanna spend the extra money, which honestly, if you have it, definitely go for it. And now for storage, we have a silicon power NVMe M.2 SSD. It's 1 terabyte. It's Gen 4, which this board is fully compatible with. You might as well go Gen 4 because they're almost the same price as a Gen 3 drive and you get a lot more speed.
Now for the graphics card, we have the XFX RX 6700, which is one of the best value cards right now because you get 10 gigs of VRAM and competes very well price-wise with something like a 4060 Ti 4060, which not a lot of people are fans of. So you get extra VRAM, better performance for around the same price. You really can't complain about this card. Now for the power supply, we have the Zalman Gigamax 600 watt. Honestly, this has been our go-to power supply for budget builds for the past couple of months because it's readily available on Amazon with Prime shipping, which by the way, those links down below are affiliates and do help us out. And yeah, it's a solid unit, C-tier unit, which will work great for budget/mid-range gaming PCs, and 600 watts is plenty for this build with upgrades in the future. And for the case, this is the Deepcool CH370, which is a case I've been very excited to build in because it has a nice design up front, great ventilation, and also it's a micro ATX case. We love micro ATX because of the ability to, well, do budget builds with them. Micro ATX boards typically save you a good amount of money, and it does look pretty clean, and we are going to make it look very nice with 3 RGB fans up front. You can opt for another pack if you want to spend more money, but we were trying to keep it around the 800 to 850 range, so we didn't want to opt for another pack just for 1 more fan, so we're going to keep the plain fan in the back, but you can do that at home if you want to. But yeah, this build overall I think is going to be great for 1440p gaming at under $1,000. I'm very excited to build it. Let's put it together.
Alright guys, we're playing Halo Infinite, and we are currently trying 1440p out at 120 max FOV. 1440p, we're not doing any upscaling, we've got unlocked frame rate, and we're running like a medium with 1 high setting preset.
What I wanted to do.
High setting. And look at that, we're getting, looks like close to 100 FPS most of the time. Now, obviously, it's a game that you don't have to do 1440. We just decided that we think 1440 is suited for this nice of a system.
Yeah, so spending $800 getting a GPU that has 10 gigs of VRAM. I mean, right now we're using over 8, so obviously running 1440p, you're going to want something with more than 8 gigs of VRAM to play this game. But yeah, getting pretty decent numbers so far and looking pretty good as well. 1440p does look very pretty. Yeah, the Nutcracker is done, yeah.
I know you're over here, buddy. Yeah. All right, we're taking this flag, boy. The sweaty strap. Yeah. Push it.
Whoop.
I think he just fell off the map.
He did too.
Yeah, the only thing that kind of feels a little bit high. Did my teammate just throw it? Oh, he threw a little shieldy. The only thing that kind of feels a little high, I feel like, is the latency. Maybe.
Yeah,
maybe that could be lowered.
Yeah.
Lower settings, but I feel like illegal how quick I was able to take that flag. Get out of my way.
Whoop, whoop. Hey. Yeah.
This guy didn't hit these shots. Look at that. What a loser. He put his freaking sniper away. Oh, God. Maybe I shouldn't have taken
He's like, I'm going to take. Oh, there you go.
No, you don't.
Oh! Oh no!
Oh my God! I just literally turned into a dumpster fire.
He just landed on his head and just went whoop.
My guy didn't lock on, and I kind of dismissed. Well, that was Halo. It ran really well.
Yeah.
It was very playable, but holy crap!
Next game. All right, guys, we are in Call of Duty Warzone, and we are currently running. Oh, guys, we're going to back me out. Balance preset, basically, but with some custom settings here. Let me go show you. So we got low, high, medium, low, high, medium. It's all over the place. It's the balance preset, but I lowered the anti-aliasing. We are using FSR quality, and we are at 1440p. And right now, it's looking pretty good. Obviously, we're running more performance settings at 1440p. Would it make sense to go 1080p and just run higher settings? Maybe. But in this situation, we're aiming at 1440p, a 1440p monitor, and yeah, it looks good though. Still looks pretty solid, especially with FSR. Oh, I hate this revolver. Why is this the go-to now? Sorry.
It must be someone that wants to be blowed up.
Oh! Oh!
Yay, you got credit.
Ah! Oh no!
He doesn't even know you're back there.
Oh! Oh no! Yes! No!
Good thing you got that revolver.
Oh
right?
yeah, good. Oh, I have a scope on it now.
Oh.
Wait, did I get resurge? Oh, it just okay, I did.
Yeah.
It just clicked for a second. What's up, boy?
You have a gun.
Oh, let's
Dang.
go!
You like that gun now, don't you?
Whoa!
Michael McLovin.
There you go, McAllister. You can see, you can create an honest story of a man who just wanted to play Warzone and managed 19th place by killing one person.
By resurging.
By resurging over and over again. But hey, it performed well. Very solid. And we're going to run some built-in benchmarks to prove to you guys this thing is great for AAA titles as well. And then we'll wrap this video up real quick because pretty good build guide, if I have to say so myself.
All right, guys, we just got done benchmarking at 1440p, and this thing is just such a good bang for buck. $850, and you're able to have the choice of 1080p with a very high refresh rate or 1440p at a respectable refresh rate. And the fact that this thing is fully upgradable, it's on the latest and greatest platform, and it just looks and sounds amazing on top of that.
So yeah, it's very easy to put this thing together yourself, and you can use those links in the description down below. They will be affiliate links, and they will help us out to build this PC yourself. But yeah, let us know what you think of this configuration. Do you guys like the RX 6700? Is there any other GPU you would consider at this price point? Let us know in the comment section down below.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
You know what makes me want to do a backflip? PCBros.tech, because it's that cool.
Insert me doing a backflip right now. Whoa! I just did a backflip, guys. PCBros.tech. Use code ToastyBros2 on checkout to save 2% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.